Ever get tangled up in headphone wires? Or struggle to hear your favorite song clearly? I used to deal with that daily. Cords everywhere, constant interruptions. Watching movies at home just wasn't the same. The sound would cut out if I moved too far. And comfort? Forget it after an hour. Then, I found these Insignia RF wireless headphones. Get the price on Amazon with the link in the description. They changed my entire listening experience. No more wires, no more limits. These headphones connect wirelessly with RF technology. That means I can walk around my house freely, grab a snack, do chores, never miss a beat. The over-the-ear design is super comfortable. I can wear them for hours, no ear pain, perfect for binge watching or long playlists. And yes, they come with all the essential accessories. Charger, transmitter, cables, all included. Even the original packaging is here. The only thing missing might be the user guide, but you can easily download it online. Let me show you how easy setup is. Plug in the transmitter to your TV or stereo. Turn on the headphones. They pair instantly. No complicated Bluetooth menus to fuss with, just pure, uninterrupted sound. The audio quality is surprisingly clear and rich. Bass is deep, vocals are crisp. Movies sound cinematic. Music feels immersive. I can even adjust the volume right on the headphones. No need to reach for the remote. Battery life lasts through multiple movie nights. Charging is quick and simple. And since there are no wires, my space stays neat. I love not worrying about tripping over cords. These headphones also block out background noise. Great for focus, whether working or relaxing. I use them for gaming too, zero lag. Perfect for late-night sessions without disturbing anyone. They fit comfortably over glasses too. No pinching, no awkward pressure. Setup took me less than 5 minutes, and now I can't imagine going back. The build quality is solid, even though they're used. Everything works perfectly, just like new. All accessories were included, as promised. Original packaging made it feel like an unboxing experience. If you're a music lover, you'll appreciate the detail. Home entertainment gets a serious upgrade. Tech-savvy users will love the hassle-free setup. And honestly, the price for this quality? Worth it. You don't need to spend a fortune for wireless freedom. I've recommended these to friends and family. Everyone's been impressed with the sound and comfort. If you're tired of wired headphones, it's time for a change. Insignia RF wireless headphones are the answer. Easy to use, comfortable, and reliable. Great for music, movies, gaming, whatever you love. Don't worry about the missing manual. Download it online in seconds. Everything else you need is right in the box. Enjoy wireless freedom and amazing sound today. Upgrade your listening experience without breaking the bank. No more tangled wires, no more frustration. Just plug in, turn on, and enjoy. Ready for better sound at home. Try the Insignia RF wireless headphones yourself. You'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Click the link in the description to check them out now. Treat your ears, you deserve it.